guys, and welcome. It's Tim from Exotic Ginger. Today I'm going to be planting 3 different types of orchids. So these are Daxlarizans, Daxlariza fuchsiae, Daxlariza maculata, Daxlariza managers. So they're all different types. There's basically common spotted, pyramid, and the marsh orchid. So please watch with me and we'll get going. So the first one we're going to plant is Daxlarizan fuchsiae. Now Daxlarizan fuchsiae is the common spotted orchid. So it's like a grassland orchid, so it likes a lot of sun and stuff like that, and not a lot of nutrients. So we can put it, I was thinking of putting it in the bed, like right there or something, right next to the stream, so it looks really nice and stuff like that. So the great thing about where I got this from is they have, I don't know if you can see them, but they have got the letters on them, and then it says up here which one is which. So I'm going to go and get letter A out, and that is Daxlarizan fuchsiae, and then I'm going to start digging the hole with a little baby's shovel. So all of these have come from tissue culture. If you don't know what tissue culture is, I will be doing a video about tissue culture eventually. It's basically where the plant has been genetically, has been lab grown from a tiny bit of this, plant material. It's quite scientific. So what we're going to do is now I'm going to dig the hole. Now I've dug the hole, what I'm going to do is make sure I can get the plant in there. That's good. I might dig it a bit deeper so I can just plop it in, because we don't want to like press it down or anything, because these are very fragile plants. This is Winnie, as you probably know if you're a continuous subscriber and listener. So you just want to dig the hole bigger than the pot. As you can see, my soil is rubbish, it's just chalky, but yeah, something like that. And then you want to gently take the plant out of the pot. Once you've got the plant out of the pot, just place it in very gently, and then you want to just push the soil back without the big chunks of chalk. If you have chalk, just push all the soil back, just so maybe you might even want to put some more soil around it. Then what you want to do is you want to water it, then leave it to watch it grow. So the next one we're going to plant is Daxlariza magala. Now that's the marsh orchid. So what we want to do with the marsh orchid is we want to put it somewhere where there's a lot of water, but it's not sitting in water. So it's probably somewhere like in the stream somewhere where it keeps on getting nice bits of water. So probably behind the main rock there. That would look quite nice actually, I think. So let's do it. So I'm thinking I'm going to put it probably there. So let's take it out. Don't try not to destroy it. Put a bit of soil there that it came with, and then you want to put it in like that. A bit nicer than that, but it sort of fell apart, so I'm just going to get some more of the soil it came with, and I am just going to put it in like that. So I'll stand them up, put that, there we go. So there we go, that looks quite nice. So what you want to do is, not in this heat because it's about 30 degrees at the moment, I'm struggling a bit, and then, oh look at the frogs. So cool. Look at the little froglets. So the next one we have is Daxylarizum maculata. So let's go and do that. So this is another, this is Daxylarizum maculata, and this is another marsh orchid, so it's another one that's going to go into the stream. So I'm thinking of putting it maybe somewhere around here, so to partly cover the stream. These are the horrible, nasty yellow expanding foam, which I am going to do in another video. I'm going to be doing, not planting this, but I'll plant that now. I'm going to be making this all look really nice again in another video. So let's do this. So I'm gonna put it probably there. So it's getting a nice bit of water. It's on the edge, but it's not sitting in water. So thank you for watching. Please watch all my other videos about the stream, the pond, all of that great stuff. I've also got about weeding and keeping your garden nice and all of that. So I am posting every week at the moment, at least once every week. I do two, sometimes twice, even 3 times once a week, but at least once a week I post a long format. Just as a little ending shot, I've got 2 nice, with all my, you can see the fish down there. Got 2 really nice flowers, lily flowers, water lily flowers, what have come up. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.